Soccer.
Airport.
We're gonna play soccer.
Yeah.
At the grass.
Soccer at the airport. There might be a helicopter.
No.
Which we are going to pilot.
Shut up. Oh my god. Doesn't stop. Goodbye, apartment. Got a 1, 2, 3, 4 bags to check. This is my boosted board. Hopefully that makes it. And I've got 1, 2 carry-ons. I think I'll miss this area. It'll be nice to be back home. And yes, I do have my travel socks on. Little astronaut guy holding a flag.
Please for all passengers of EasyJet flying EasyFly.
I almost took my boosted board. Goodbye, Czech Republic. Good night. be getting home tonight, but I got a sandwich. At the Marriott tonight on Delta's dime. So, the flight from Prague was delayed, which made me miss my connection. So I'm in this hotel room for the night. I gotta leave tomorrow morning at 4, so in 7 hours. And originally I had a flight booked from JFK to Chicago, but JetBlue only allows 2 checked bags, and I have 4. So I'm going to take my LAX connection tomorrow morning, where my bag's already paid, leave them in LA, then fly to Burbank, straight to Madison on Monday. So I'm going to be on 1, 2, 3, 4 flights in the next day. The flight was good. Nobody almost died on this one, so that's always a plus. Not much to see. That's not why I'm here, though. I'm here for this guy.
That's AM.
Packed. I got this guy named Sonny waiting for me downstairs. He took me here yesterday, or last night. He was kind enough to give me his phone number. He called me this morning at like 3, asking if I still wanted the ride. I said yes, so that's where I'm going. See if they have some coffee. There's Stumptown Cold Brews right there, but this place is closed. Not much is open this early. It's 5 a.m. at JFK. There's a ghost airport right now. Got my 2 carry-ons. This one's barely in the limits, but it works. Cine bags. Waiting for my flight to LA. Got 2 hours till the flight leaves. I just hope my boosted board makes it on the plane, and I'll probably have to explain myself again. Oh well. There she is. Shouse, everybody. Taking my bags.
Dude, you're wearing like 2 t-shirts, man.
What I'm doing, man. It's a new thing. Look at this car right here. This car's dope.
Is that Jay Leno?
I think it might be, yeah.
Welcome back to LA. Cleanest streets on the West Coast.
That's right.
There's Matt, the man. Yo. Okay. Oh, diagonal across. Diagonal across. Woo. Nice.
We're shooting a low budget music video. This
I know,
is dope,
I know.
dude.
We're here, Venice Beach, first stop of the return.
Trying to get some food or what's
We should go to the sand first. Run around a little bit. America. Oh yeah. Okay.
cloudy today. It's good.
I thought I escaped segways. No, they followed me here. Whoa, look at that dude. Hey. Doesn't she look just like seaweed?
That makes sense, yeah.
Like it blends in with all the other seaweed. Surfers. There she is, the home. I mean, at the ocean it was like 60 degrees, and here it's 40-degree difference, just because of the coast. Okay, which one's the house key? This one? Nobody's home. Feels weird. Mail time. That's 4 months. Here's the current state of my magnet collection. New York, Yosemite, Wisconsin, San Francisco, Utah. Pretty basic. We're gonna go ahead and add Prague, Dresden, Pilsen, Monte Carlo, another Prague, Berlin, Carlo Vivari, Chicago, and Germany. That's what I'm talking about. That's a collection.